3D print manufacturer, and they are a big sponsor here, primary sponsor. And here is one of their machines. This is the Fortis 250 MC in work. Definitely print volume. Oh, it's cleaning. Oh, it cleaned the print head. One support on the back for this machine, for the Z-axis. Sort of similar to the Airwolf. Or vice versa.
How you get such a good finish on your stuff?
Your M process, we heard that you guys get a really good finish that you don't have to do post-finish work.
That would be on the object. Now is this what you're talking about?
Yeah,
or is that?
So, yeah.
Okay, well that was done on this machine.
Okay.
The object will even get a better finish. Yes. They're more expensive, but they get a better finish.
But it's an FDM process too? FDM?
Just checking it all out.
Not really. What it does is it uses a resin. And FDM, you know that. It's
plastic, so
the object lays down a resin material, and then it is followed by ultraviolet light that cures it.
Ultraviolet or
Yeah,
something.
so that's how it's cured.
Okay.
This is done with heat.
Oh, I see.
And the resin is done with heat too.
Yeah.
But you know, if this is fine, that's the machine.
That looks good.
Yeah. When do you plan on doing this?
Well, I want to do some modeling, and one of the projects is a impeller for a boundary layer disc type impeller.
Yeah, all kinds of
And
good
then another one is a propeller or a blade for a helicopter. I want to model it. I've already built it.
Okay, did you see this?
Greg, how are we doing?
Oh, yeah, nice. What process was that?
Well, that again is the object. And that goes
Sales guys here,
like
Greg.
that.
huh?
That's the way they build it. So you can, if you feel it, you can feel the ridges. Okay. However, I don't know how much you're going to do.
No, you made your own.
You step over here, I'll show you a little machine. I think it's fantastic.
Okay, yeah. We're going to try to upgrade those to great. Okay. Good deal. No, it's just model support on this one. It's the soluble support. So that's just an upgrade. That's just a bigger version of that. The new one is this multi-material machine. So it does like you can do 3 materials at once. You can have like rubber, color, and clear vero. So like something like this would be all printed as one piece. It's kind of different. It's too expensive. Get into some research institution. It's nice to see. Yeah, so at SolidWorks, I saw the guy.
So how do you remove the binder? You just turn the knob?
There's a solvent mat.
Oh, there's a solvent. Oh. So the binder is a different material?
It's a different material, yeah. Basically, a little water jet cleans it out.
So the printer puts the binder in also? Oh.
Yeah, so that because there's the clearances in between even this.
Right,
you know?
no, I understand.
Yeah, so there's clearances there, so
because
the binder's printed in there.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
So we have the guys that are working on
water jets.
Cornell, Stanford, UC and staff at UC.
Different ratios of resin.
So this is the latest. This is an example of the latest version of. Now it's printed in color as well.
I know you're
So you
on
got
that
soft, you got hard, and just don't squeeze it there, okay? Because it's not really, it's not a real shoe.
Yeah.
You know, it's a printed
So
object.
this is hard, this is soft. And what's it mixing?
It's mixing the two resins together.
And what are the
And the
resins?
color.
What type of resins
They're
will it mix?
ABS.
Different kinds of ABS?
I thought he worked with that company.
That you'd have to ask Chris.
Oh, okay, that's okay.
I'll get trained next week.
Yeah, that's cool.
But we're actually just opening up a new office.
Yeah, that's the color.
In Altadena, so on the 210 in between JPL and
Like if you were running, we have a Connex 500. The first question is there any plan to allow the color resins to work in that printer? Just filling a single color into one head of the printer?
If you are education or research, you will be able to do bivoxel. So you could do a spot. You're going to have absolute functionality like that. If you're education or research. If you're commercial, they are going to charge you quite a bit of money to have that feature in your machine.
Okay.
It's a software-based
upgrade. Yeah. Okay. And then if you do it, can you use like Tango Plus as one of the materials to do a color that's rubber? Yeah.
Essentially, it's blending three
pretty
colors
cool.
together. So you can start with the Barrel
So
Clear.
it mixes a whole bunch of different kinds of materials so that you can get different textures all in the same time. Specify different ratios to each part in the design, and then you send it to print, and you get all these different
On a bigger
textures.
plate, they actually tell you
Wow.
what the numbers are of the mixture, so you know.
Wow,
So I've
it's
seen pictures of the
cool.
machine and it has that.
Can I have
card
some of your
that has a
samples?
lot.
I know. He said no. Oh, pretty funny. Oh well, never mind.
You see them
This
wide.
is the
4K
Pepin
if you have Tango Black.
in Los Angeles.
So, but you can do.
You can see there's a little bit of filament collecting in the side there, so that it gets cleaned out every so often. Printed, not assembled. The lens too, printed.
Which machine?
Pretty awesome.
36 by 24 by 36. But they own that market. They really do. When you go to the
that
production
is
machines like this, they own that market. The plastic.
Model like this.
Medical industry, printed with one of these printers.
Oh, and this is how to fix the
Yeah, you
teeth.
do a 3D scan of a person's mouth,
None of this
print
is
it out.
sanded or painted. This
And
is
then
just
these
what
are
it
the,
came out.
oh, these are
Now, I
these
think
are
this is just
like
a speed
braces.
print, so
Yeah,
there's
but you now you have electronic files of a person's mouth.
Before and after, so that you can check after.
And you can do soluble support.
You always have a, you know, that you 3D print the image of what their mouth is electronic.
Station is also stored away.
This is really hard. It feels.
Yeah, that's again, you know, it's like
This is so crazy.
Per hour. They're not that fast, to be honest. They really are.
So this is a flight-ready 3D printed part. And it's printed on one of the commercial systems that Stratasys makes. I think it's Stratasys. It's on these various machines. And they're the only ones that can print flight-ready parts. It's kind of cool. There's several hundred of them in the parts database, I guess. Very cool. So they're all Stratasys machines, and sufficiently low volume that you can print them up when you need them.